my story I created.
Redbird, what do you see?
Actually, Mom, sorry.
I see a tuco looking at
I
me.
was gonna name this, but I actually want to name it Tuco.
Here we go.
Are you reading? You got mocos coming out, boy. Ooh, purple horse. What do you see? Oh, you're right. It looked purple to me.
Yeah,
It's a purple cat.
Yeah, it's a purple and blue.
Oh, look at the puppy dog.
Puppy. Oh, puppy.
You got a puppy on your shirt, too. Yeah.
Take a video.
Yeah, look right here. You got a puppy dog on your shirt, too.
And a puppy dog right here. White dog. What is it?
Oh, purple kitty.
Kitty. Oh, kitty.
Are you reading? Are you giving it kisses?
Take it. It's melting in my hands.
Really?
It's yours.
Baby boy.
I only made
Ooh, green frog. Uh-oh.
No, you're a bad girl.
What you talking about? Huh?
It's a thumb drop.
What is it? Is that a teacher?
Give you that.
Is that a teacher looking at you? Oh, that one shows all of them. Come on. Come on, jump down. Jump down.
What did this have inside?
The candy that I wanted. And I lost it.